Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Students, I hope you all are fine. Today I will deliver lecture 3 of week 3 and we will continue with chapter number 3, office automation. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed so far about inserting symbols in MS Word by using the insert tab and symbol option, copying and cutting by using the home tab and copy, cut and paste options in clipboard group, creating and saving document by using the create, save and new options in the file tab or by clicking on the office button. Today we will discuss about few more features of MS Word. Inserting equation. To insert an equation, you will click on the insert tab and click on equation option, and here you can see various types of the equation will appear in a drop down menu. You will first of all select your required equation and then click the mouse button. It will insert the equation. Formatting text. What does it mean? It means to change the font size, type, style and effects of the text. First of all, we will learn about changing the font type and size. Here you can see that how to change the font size is enclosed bordered, and you will first of all select the text and then change the font size by clicking on the home tab, and in the font group you have the option, and as shown in the image, along with changing font size, you have the option of changing the font size to font type too, and other options are also available, like B is for bold and I is used to make the text italic, and U is to underline the text, and many other options you can explore. Now comes to paragraph formatting. To format a paragraph, click on the home tab, and in the paragraph group you have various options like bullets and numbering, but to perform all these operations, first of all you have to select the required paragraph or required text. By using the bullets and numbering, you can make a list, and here you can see by using the paragraph alignment options, you can align your text with left border or right border, or you can center align your text in the document. Here indentation options, decrease indents, increase indents. What is meant by increase indent? It increases the distance between the text and margins of the page, and decrease indent decreases the distance between the text and margin of the page. Now you can explore more options by clicking on the sign shown by the arrow in the image. It will open a dialog box. It is a sign of dialog box launcher. It will open a paragraph settings dialog box which contains many other options, like you can set the line spacing and alignment and give bullets and numbering by using this dialog box. आप इस डायलॉग बॉक्स को यूज़ करके भी दे सकते हैं, और इसके अलावा जैसे मैंने पहले बताया है वैसे भी सेटिंग कर सकते हैं. Now comes to page formatting. In page layout tab, you can set margins, orientation and size of the page. By clicking on the dialog box launcher of page in the setup group, you will see that you can perform all these settings. In today's lecture, we have discussed about inserting equation and formatting text, paragraph and page. Using insert tab, you can insert the equation, and by selecting the text, you can perform various formatting options. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you all understood the lecture. Assignment. You have to practice all these tasks at home. Thank you.